Happy Friday, VIPs. This is your favorite go-to girlfriend, Simply Sarita, and I wanted to chat with you about our new initiative that I'm going to be rolling out with you. Basically, we will have opportunities to have participation prizes. So you will get opportunities every day to be able to come in and share and participate with the community a fun fact or a word of encouragement or a picture of you and your products, or when your products come in, being able to share that. So I want you to be able to know how we're going to do this so that at the end of the month, I can actually go in and track the activity to be able to announce those prizes. So when you come to the Simple Solutions with Sarita's page, you're going to tab over to announcements right here. And once you click on there, if you come over here where it says popular topics, we have over here where we'll have the different topics. So we'll have Freebie Friday, Throwback Thursday, Motivational Monday, Work It Wednesday, Shout Out Sunday, Fun Fact Friday, which is today, and Tip Tuesday. So you'll just click on the tab and then you'll post your comment under there. So this way at the end of the month, I'm going to be able to go back and tally up all of your participation posts. And based on that, that's going to determine the number of entries that you have to be entered in for our prize. Now, our prize will be revealed later in the month, so you want to go ahead and start participating. And what I'm working on is I will be sharing with you an update about how things are going and some from the heart things from your favorite go-to gift girlfriend. And I will provide that tonight. So I'm going to present a poll. So this way we can see if we're going to go on at 9:01 or if we're going to do 9:31. I just want to make sure I have enough time to do my family time and then check in with you ladies. It'll only be a power, half hour or less. I don't want to keep you too long, but I really want to do the Zoom session just because I would love to see your smiling faces, and it's super easy. So I'm inclined to say I want to do that because I feel like whenever I do lives, there's always a lag time and I can never see you. And so I think a couple years back, I did a YouTube live and I thought I could see someone, but I have to go back and research that. Unless someone can already tell me, have any of you done YouTube live where you can see each other, or is it just similar to Facebook live? Because I want to see your faces. I miss people. I know we're all doing social distancing, but it's important for us to stay connected to each other so that this cabin fever doesn't drive us to going bonkers. But I can't wait to see you all's fun facts. Let's go ahead and let's blow this page up with some amazing fun facts, things that you've been learning, things that you've been hearing about. I'm going to put a few things out that I've learned about this week that I thought was awesome things. And then remember, sharing is caring. If someone's in this group and you hear them talking or you heard them or someone comes on your heart as you see this post, add them to the group. Don't just forward the post to them, add them to the group so that this way we can have our community keep growing. All right, I can't wait to hear and read your fun facts for the day. If you have any questions, feel free to ask away. Otherwise, guess what? I want you to make today count. And remember, be safe, be blessed, be organized, and most of all, be the best version of you. Let's make today great. Thank you.